Thanks for joining me for another beer review. Today, me and Kyle are taking a look at one from Howe Brewing. This is John Mitchell Series Pothole Filler Imperial Stout, 9% ABV. Big boy. The big boys play here. Where's this one from, guys? It's in BC, I'm sure of that. Product Canada, brewed and bottled by Howe Brewing Company, Squamish, British Columbia. Let's get into this one. Keep that cap. Get her poured. Looks nice. There you go, buds. Cheers. Don't look on her. Yeah. Maybe like a speck of red at the corner. Maybe. Looks pretty solid. I mean, it's Pothole Filler for a reason. Head looks really nice. Creamy, mocha. Few big ass bubbles in there, but let's get into the aroma. Bit of a chocolatiness, bit of a roastiness, bit subtle. Could just be me. Is it? It's kind of been sitting. Yeah. You picking up a big aroma on it?
Not big, no. It's pretty.
This has been sitting out here too for 20 minutes. Ow, it smells a little soft, but I'm just gonna get into the taste.
That's not soft there.
Big creaminess to it. It's got a medium, full mouthfeel. Yeah, it's nice those dark roasts. Bit of that chocolate. Kind of get a bit of that alcohol warming there. It's nice. It's nice beer. You pick up on that.
Pretty much the same thing, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like that sweetness there. A bit of like a bitterness after. I don't know. And it's just kind of holding that alcohol. A bit of that out. I picked that out a bit there. A bit at the finish. Pretty easy to drink though.
For Imperial?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. I'd buy that again. Pretty good beer.
Yeah, Howe sounds a good brewery.
I haven't had much from them though.
I've had a few. Especially way back when.
Yeah, I know. That's what I remember you buying the oatmeal stout, but it was so long ago.
Just to get that bottle for that first kit.
Yeah.
I bought that kit June 24th last year.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I tried that. Yeah, I got a few of that Howe Sound, the winter one. Hey, I'm getting off topic here. Do a rating on this. I think my taste buds might be a little pooch though for the night. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this one though. I'm gonna give it an 85. That's my take on
I'll
her.
say 4.
Yeah, good beer.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Until next time, cheers.